Hi guys, welcome back to Cruiserman's Inventions and alternator bikes, lowriders and much more. But today's video is based on some of these schematics here to do with these washing machine motors. So let's have a look. One of my loyal subscribers was just talking about, I had a look in some of my commentary and he was focusing on this one here. Now that's 6 poles. I'm just gonna aim this camera on this, guys, because I'm trying to help one of my subscribers out. This is 6 poles is 24 volts up to 36 roughly, give or take the speed that you're trying to push that washing machine motor up to. Now I'm gonna flick to this to a washing machine motor that actually has just 6 poles on it. Okay. Alright guys, so one of my subscribers was asking me about this. What is that? Well, it's the 24 volt wiring diagram. That's 6 times 2C. That's 6 groups of 6 poles wired within the whole series of 36 poles. That's what that is. And if you look in the middle here, you'll see it all color coded, because that's where you have to wrap that other wire around. It's all the way around there, and I'll show you right now about that wire. Now I'm smack bang in the middle of actually doing my windmill build right now, but here is 6 poles wired in and then tied off at the end. Now this is one group, and I wish I could help you as much as I could, but when you tie off, this is one group of 6, okay? When you tie off another group of 6, there's obviously got to be a starting. This is the starting, this is the ending, where the last 3 groups of the wires are soldered together and insulated by the tape. So but what that diagram explains is 6 groups of those that you can fit into the whole lot of the 36 poles that are sitting here right in front of you. Now this is the other part. See, this is another starting, but this is of my windmill. From here to here is actually 105 times 2. It stops here, and then another lot, another 12. But this is the wire color code, right? This is today's wire color code. Positive, negative, earth. This is what they have in the wall. It's brown, positive, blue, negative, and green, earth. That's what they have in the wall. Before 1930, it used to be, for positive, it used to be red. For negative, it used to be black. And for earth, it used to be just a straight out green. But since Tesla invented, you know, he won the award for his generator on the Niagara Falls, that's the way the color code is in every house built after 1932. It changed, guys, so that you can tell the difference between an old house and a new house from the wiring code that's in the back of the switches in a house. So just if this helps you, my buddy out there that's willing to learn this, that's 6, right? That's 6. That generates 24 to 36 volts power out of their AC, and then, you know, you tune it back to DC by one-way blocking diodes or a bridge rectifier. And not a 2-pin bridge rectifier, a 3-pin bridge rectifier. And if you look inside an alternator, as you looked at my other videos, guys, you know, I have ones here that I showed in my last video that I actually hooked up 2 more capacitors to hold power specifically for charging purposes. because if the capacitors can hold power, that's what the battery needs, you know. You'd understand that after a while of trying to charge up any battery, that you need some sort of holding capacity. And that's what they are, they're capacitors, and that's what they do. You generate power, it comes in, it comes out as DC from here to here. This is out of a car, but I've added 2 more to the existing ends right here and here. I know my camera's not the best, guys. I'm just trying to do the best I can. So there's no regulator on here. If you look into the back here very finely, you'll see a one-way blocking diodes right in there. 3 of them. I think these have channel chips in them. When I looked into it, they have about 6. But anyway, guys, this is it here. That's just 6. This new windmill build that's coming up, guys, because I'm smack bang in the middle of it, and I have actually 2 more videos coming up to do with an alternator without its rectifier in it, right? And there's the 3 pins coming out of the back here. This one, and this one. And then you put power into it because it's got no permanent magnets in it, right? Let's get this in better light. There we go. So after the bridge rectifier's been taken out, oh, look at that. I got a wiggly pin. That's probably what was wrong with that drift trike. If you look that up too, yeah, I can feel that. She's not good. Don't feel good. No, you can't do that with the others. This one, she's wiggly. I thought there was something up with it. Anyway, you put power in through the 2 slip rings here, right? 12 volts into the 2 slip rings, which powers up the very center of these alternators. Now, in my next video, I'm going to measure from the 3 poles coming out. It may not be this one now that I know that. It may be another one. But I'm going to show you how you can work out what the voltage is in AC coming out of 3 pins. Now these meters, they only measure 2 pins. So if you put 1 here and 1 here, you spun this up with 12 volts in this thing, creating the magnetic field in the center, you'll get AC current coming out of here. You spun it up by the drill from here, right? So what my other video was going to be about was, okay, if the 2 pins, you could only measure 2 pins, there and there. Okay, and just say I put 12 volts here, I spun it up, I measured the power coming out of 2 pins, it measured something like 24 volts. Okay, half that for a minute, half that. That 12 volts is the other pin. Do you get that? That's what the other pin would be if you could measure the other pin. So that's 24 volts plus 12 volts is your 36. But I will do that video. I'll do that whole schematic so that you can see it. Anyways, guys, cool. Let's get one little last look at this schematic here of this particular one that is 24 volts. You can plainly see the inside wire that's added from here to here, linking every section in, right to the end, tied off. Every 6 is tied off at the end, but the starting is linked in here, 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 and here. Biggest thanks, guys. All your comments help me. They help me to produce more videos out there for you guys. If you're ever stuck with anything, go into descriptions and text me personally. Cool stuff, guys. I appreciate all your comments. Believe you me, that's why I'm doing it. just to help everybody out. Cool, guys. Cruiserman out. See you in the next video. Windmills! Woohoo! Cool, guys. See you in the next video. Cruiserman out.